Hi Geminis, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your general reading from 21st till 27th of September. Okay, so we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Okay, so let's see what is there for my Geminis in the coming week from 21st till 27th of September, please. This is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Let's see. For my Geminis, please. So what's happening in the current situation? Four of Swords. So what I get over here is dreams. So you might be getting some kind of dreams over here, related to some, it can be anything, past, future, not future but more about past, because of some kind, because before this Four of Swords we got Three of Swords. So it is a breakup and heartache kind of a thing. So just look into your dreams, look deep into your dreams if you actually get some kind of dreams. This also telling me about some kind of healing, because you actually need it. You are healing from a situation, from a past situation. You're taking a rest. Okay, you are spending some time with yourself, some me time. So this is more about taking rest, taking deep sleep, which you actually needed. Okay, so what's the conflict? Two of Wands. So this is the conflict, this is the obstacle. So when you do not know in which way you should go, because with the Two of Wands it tells us about confusion. You don't know which way to go, because you are in the crossroads. There are two roads and you have to decide which way you should go towards, and that is why you are taking some time. You're analyzing the situation and then you will act, and that is perfectly fine. This is really good, because you are actually taking time for a decision to be made, and you cannot just take a decision in a haste. You have to think about it and then you will proceed. Okay, so let's see what is the foundation of the situation. Knight of Pentacles we have over here. So this knight over here is very slow. So this foundation, whatever the situation is, it started really slow, and this situation might be related to your work, might be a relationship. It really took time and it started slow. But the problem is that this situation is not ready to leave you. It's staying over there, it's taking time, it's actually analyzing. So I'm really getting that this Knight is you, and you are taking time to really look into some things, because you have two things you have either two people in front of you, two situations, or whatever this is, and that is why you are sorry. So you are taking time and you are actually, this is really good, Geminis, because looking at your energy, you're always about taking actions very fast. But over here I'm really getting that you are not in the fast mode now. You are just walking, you are just thinking, you are actually analyzing. There are many ways, 100 ways out of the situation. How will you figure out the best situation? How will you figure out the best solution? That is up to you, and that is what you are actually figuring out. The past situation, the Lovers, Gemini, this is you. So this might be a love situation over here, where two people are involved in a situation. You love someone, you are into a connection with someone, but you don't know what to do. With someone there's a physical attachment, but with someone there's a mental emotional attachment as well. So this is the confusion in front of you, and you are not able to let go, both of you, both of the persons or both of the situations. What's in your mind? Three of Wands. Yes, you really want that growth with someone. There is one person in your mind there. When we are confused about a situation, and when we want, let's say, you go to a tarot reader, okay, for asking for help, and you ask, I have two situations, which one should I go? But when the tarot reader keeps shuffling her cards, what do? There is a mental process there. You just want that this answer should come, not this one should come, this one, and that is your answer. Okay, you cannot, you are going towards someone, you want answers from someone else, but the answer is inside you, is within yourself. You know that it should not come, you know that you don't want this, you want this only, this should not come. So that is the answer, that is the peak point. You should actually get the answer, and that is what, with the Three of Wands, this person knows the answer. Okay, with the Two of Wands of the conflicts, your brain already knows. It's just you have to put it in action. You already know the answer. Now, how to bring it into action, it's up to you. The future cards, Queen of Cups. So this is a Cancer over here, so might be dealing with a Cancer. Queen of Cups is telling me you are actually looking into your intuition, you are going to listen to your intuition. If this is a person who is very loving in nature, might be a mother, but she is very caring, she is that, that caring nature, a Cancer person who is very, who knows how to give love, how to spread love, happiness. This is that. A lot of emotions are also involved in this thing. So, in future card, very beautiful, positive card. Seven of Swords, how you see yourself. You see yourself as the one who is deceiving someone. Okay, so I'm really getting that there might be two situations in front of you, and out of two you are deceiving someone, like betraying one person, or betraying one job. See, betraying is normal. Okay, so this is like you have two jobs in front of you, and you cannot take both the jobs, right? You have to say no to someone. So that is how you are actually feeling yourself over here, that you are so you are actually, you want something, but you have to leave the other thing to move forward in that process. But you, with the Seven of Swords, I'm also getting that you are taking yourself as you are making a bad person. It's not how people think about you, you yourself are thinking bad about you. You are feeling that I'm doing bad, I have you have picked up the wrong way. You are thinking like that. Let's see how people look at you. People look at you as the Queen of Pentacles, someone who is independent, someone who is very, very jolly in nature, somebody who is very mature, somebody who can take decisions of his or her life. So you are actually seen like a very mature kind of a person, a very loving person, but it's up to you how you see yourself as. Nine of Swords as the lessons you need to learn from the past. So over here, lessons to be learned, it is, this is more than lessons, it is your fear and anxiety, how you see yourself. This is like with the Nine of Swords, I'm getting that you are actually in the in that place where you have been through this process before as well. In the past, it's been like you cried, you felt sad, there were moments when you never felt happy. So this is something which you really need to learn. This is the universe telling you that whatever the situation is, you just cannot leave the situation, cannot run away from the situation. Be there, handle the situation, okay? Just don't run away from the situation. Final outcome as the Ace of Cups. Okay, so you got the Queen of Cups as a future card and the Ace of Cups as the outcome card. Very beautiful energy, Gemini. So after all this bad energies, after all this going through, betrayals and crying at nights, sadness all around you, the happiness is coming towards you, because your mind also knows your goals are something. You want growth in life, you want someone who should come towards you, and you both can grow together. You want that. And that is what, with the Queen of Cups and the Ace of Cups, a very beautiful emotional energy over here, which actually gives a lot of love, purity in this thing. So you are going to get something like that. If you will actually, you will be clear from your mind, everything will be sorted out. Okay, so that is all from my side, Gemini. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.